Ano kasi ano ka mo? Ano ginalagan-lagan niya? Kagil doon, sinabi ko masaot ka mo duwa. Welcome to La Roca again, mga palangga. La Roca, it will be my last day here. So, I'll be showing you the view. Nga pwede niyo makita langga every morning if ever you will decide to occupy the place. Again, kung mag-rent ka mo di langga, you could actually rent it with your family, with your friends. It could be a birthday party or any other party. Do you like the view? Pwede man siya langga mga team building. Again, for only 15,000 pesos, this is the view you're gonna be enjoying if you're going to stay here in La Roca. Look at that. Imagine the sunset. They have infinity pool, and you'll be facing langga the opening yun sang shoreline. The place is very nice. The good thing about La Roca langga, it's exclusive. It's exclusive for your whole group, whole family, or whole team if you're going to rent it. What's the exact address niyo again?
Nueva Valencia, San Roque.
Yeah?
Guimaras. Nueva Valencia, San Roque, Guimaras.
Nueva Valencia, San Roque, Guimaras is the exact address of La Roca if you wanted to visit or if you wanted to rent the place. You could actually PM the page. I'll be posting it later. And good morning, Neo and Langga and Neo. Good morning daw, Neo. Neo, they said good morning to you.
Oh,
Good morning.
good morning.
Oh, sige, good morning.
Mayong aga.
Oh, mayong aga. Good ko ni mong morning dahil. Ang mali niyo, good mong morning. Bala mo dahil. Bala mo dahil. Good morning. So, this is the view. Very nice kayo ang view langga. Again, 15,000 for 8 people. And then, if you're going to add another person langga, it's 2,000 per head. And you will have additional langga nga fee for your, fee bala for bayad para sa, pick up. I-pick up kanila ga. They have their own van and own boat. So, when you arrive sa Port San Guimaras, masugat sila sa van. And then, masakay ka sa boat, pakadto dire because it's an island. And back and forth, 500 per head. So, mag 500 per head kung 8 ka mo, 1, 2, 3, 3,000, 4,000. Additional 4,000 pag on top of the 15,000 for the plite. Layo ni day, pero may service sila kanami sila van, it's new, and may kaugalingon sila lang nga boat. And then if you wanted to do lang a lot of water activities, you'll be adding naman lang bayad for that. Kung gusto nyo lang yung water activities, you can do diving, you can also do, pwede ka mo kapamunit lang and all. So, I guess, more information lang will be posted sa ilahang page. I'll be posting it later. Doon na prank ay niyo could understand Ilonggo, pero hindi siya kahambal gid Ilonggo nga damo. So, jutay lang, selective words lang yung nabalaan. Sulod ka mo diga, kagani ka mo diri magwa-guwa. Again, you visit La Roca langga, it is a nice place. Tawhay gid kaayo for bookings and more information. Kung may mga question ka mo, I'll be posting later the page para langga nga makita nyo. Yeah, sulod ka mo di kadalian yung naga. So later, gapamangkot ko sa mga taga Guimaras, di nami bakal paho. Mapuli na ko today. So mahapit kami guro, mangita kami guro place where we could buy nice na paho. Kaya parang madala nila sa Bacolod. Basi may paho kamo da nga di hindi lapit, pwede ka bakal paho nga namin. Because never pa ko nakatilaw namin nga paho. Nakatilaw ko di first day ko na nakibot ko nga it's aslom. Tapos it's that normal lang nga paho ga. Sa Alibhon ga. Although I'm not familiar with Alibhon na place, but I would love to drop by. Siguro mamangkot ko diri sa ila. Kung din pwede ka bakal paho. Dira sa Nueva ga damo man na day. Mas imagyan malang na Pinaga or Alibhon. Din ang mas lapit diri sa Nueva Valencia. Kanais gid ga sa ngano gaong. Kanais gid ga sa ngano yaga. Sang place. Kung layo pag ina hindi na ko guro kakadto to ga. Mabalik pa man ko diguro sa Dason, sa Guimaras. Nice gid yung Guimaras ga eh. As in. Nice, 'di ba? Ang view and all. Good morning everyone, makapita. O ano naman ang latest ng mga chismis sa dirang aside ka namin isang view as in the whole place because this is an island lang ga. The whole place to have body of water gyud and may forest siya nga combined. It's a mountain and river and the sea combined. So this is the house. They have 3 bedrooms. Then masaka kami hagdan sila nga nami. They already have a way here na nami up here. And then this is the back side lang of La Rocas. And again, may mapili ka lagaw-lagaw sa diri nga side. Madalas sa kamuan, this is the suspect. This is the suspect. Yung ako nga pants, nahigko na. Oh, hi. Ano? Ano na ito?
Good lady mo, ay tubigan mo.
Gani ka mga kanding na kading side. Oh, to, say hi to.
Busy.
Busy siya. So this is the area. Diinaga again is located at Nueva Valencia, Guimaras. It is La Roca. It's a private resort. It's new lang ga. Actually, we are the first guest here. So, ma-open pa lang ni siya. It's bago. And, kami yung pinakaunang nga guest sa dito nga side. Dali lang kaya kung pansig kakaguba. So, pwede ka mo dalang ka na. Pwede ka mo ka bonfire and all. They have the staff nila sa babaw. And there, you could bond here. You could also drink. If you want. It's an island. Islet. It's very nice. Gaari gid na mi ang kuya gaong opening di bala gaong. It's in the center gid sang opening sang daw pag sulod mo gaamo ni din makita mong house. I'll be posting the photo of La Roca lang ga night nga time na nami gid kayo lang ga ang house dere. So lapit diri lang ga ang floating cottage ni Ma'am Gina Lopez. Ari diri nagkadto kami yesterday. Nagkadto kami. So it's very nice. How many nights ang 15K? One night. You have 3 bedrooms with complete amenities. They have fridge, they have everything. If you want, pwede ka muli kapaluto lang ga or order food, may ara sila. But if you have your own food para makatipid, pwede gid. So 15,000 for 8 people. Kung mag-add ka lang ga 2,000 per head siya. And then plus the fare lang ga from pick up ka mo nila lang ga sa 500 per head. I-pick up ka mo nila sa port sa Guimaras going to the river and then masakay ka mo another boat boat ride nga ilaman ang boat. So kanais gid 500 back and forth na naga. So pwede ka mo ka-grocery and then you buy your own food. Pwede ka mo kasugba para katipid ka mo for team buildings, weddings, any other event, birthday. So celebrate with La Roca. Guys, very relaxing gid diri ga. As in. And then may mga balay pa daga nga do floating nga mga house ga. Nice na. Nice gid kayong place lang ga ini gid kayo mabangbang. Nan. Sorry, may boat na sila sa dalang, color white. That's it. Gapa-music pa ta sa piyak ga. Sa boat sila guys tar. Gaano sila? Pwede wedding? Oo, pwede kid. Pero madalagi ka mo guro ka ugalingon yung manog-arrange diri sa area, manog and all. So madalagi ka mo na guro ga. Magpakuno-kuno lang kami nga daw hindi gid pwede kay pag 20 per head lang amon nga ma-afford. Kuha yung head hindi naman wala mag-provide kung wala ulo. Head mo lang ginasukot, 'di ba? Gaga ka mo. 'Di ba? Mga floating cottage namin na meron kadto kami sang last. Lapit kami diga sa mga floating cottage. Diri ko na ba lang nga may project digala si Ma'am Gina Lopez ng mga floating cottage para sa mga mga locals. So ging kadtuan naman kagapon tag 50 tong entrance dito nga side and then they have halo-halo. They also have coffee, they also have damo ga. You could also swim there because even though ara siya sa tunga sang baybay, nabaw dito. So pwede ka mo dito ka swim lang ga. Kanami ihulog si Kwanda ga. Hindi na maguba pa ring view kung diri siya ihulog. Ay, kada mo sinyo drama, pamatyagan lang sa ilang kabuhi, isang kamalaala mo kaya. Takan ko Yes, sulod ka mo diga. Nandito na lang kami sa nag-15 entrance ga. But you know what? You deserve to relax lang ga. You deserve to rent a good place for your family or for yourself. If you wanted to honeymoon, diri nami gijaga exclusive sa inyo kapag gusto ka mo diga. As in, taway diga, very nice pang view. And then barato ding isda ga. Pwede ka gijaga ka palihog sa ilang mapabakalang isda sa mga diri. gapang isda, barato gining isda, and then pwede ka mo nga kamo maluto, or pwede ka mo kapaluto sa ila, mabayad lang kamo. Or malihog ka mo da, masuhol ka mo da sa ila, tuod. Barato din yung mga isda, gawin, udag ko, kisi-kisi pa, buhi pa pagbakal mo. Singganan, da sa mga color, para sa ibang dag-udag ko, color orange, do kanami, ginibutang lang ka sa aquarium. Wala ka mo nag-island hopping. Nag-island hopping kami, Bea Alexandra Muong. Hi, Bea, I miss you. Nag-ano kami ga? Nag-island hopping kami dariga. Kagapon. Daw madalman ang kilala mo lang ga. Whatever psychological imbalance or whatever bothers you psychologically, it is your fault. Whoever you are, problema nyo na. Just like what I've said, if you are doing something that is not nice, it will definitely gonna come back to you more than double. So good luck to all of you. Kabakal mo dira, just like what I did when you fuck up with my life, bitches. Totoo ginayaga. If you cannot survive, shame on you. Kamong naginago, tapos kamo pang pigaw. Anong klase ito? Sulod kamo diga. So I'll be going home now. At today, so mangita ako kang paho dili kung wala gid chance I might be back to Guimaras again. Liwat. Tawhay diga. Consequences nagasang ila kagaga, correct. And don't play a victim because I find it very stupid and very annoying when you guys are acting. For some reason, I find it so funny when people will actually say, just forgive because, tanyo, totoo giniyaga. I find it so funny that a lot of you had been convincing me to forgive despite of the fact that this person does not even send me a message, even a single message, if he is really sincere with the apology. And once again, if you don't have any content, my dear, stop using my name because the way I see you, do si bugris ka na. Haslo ka mang guro. I find it so funny that it is so easy for you guys to say something maka-insulto kay Lingling, maka-insulto sa akong, bastoson nyo kami sa live nyo for the reason because you are drunk. Yota. Tapos masiling na kamo nga forgive. Malaing batasan kayo hindi mag-forgive. Yota. It's a lesson to all of you. You have to be very careful. Because once again, ang pagtraidor ga sabyan, amo nang pinaka-traidor nga bagay nga pwede mong mahimo sa bilog mong kabuhi. Labi na gid kung ang gintraidor mo nga abyan mayo nga tao. That's it. Merese. So now I am a bad person. I find it so funny when I read it. Kalaing sila batasan. Ikaw pa ngayon, napasensyang isa ka tao sa diin dapit. The last time I checked it, for someone nga kapangayo pasensya, ma-PM directly sa tao. For someone nga gusto magmiga liwat, ma-PM directly sa tao nga gusto niya migahon liwat. You are using us as a marketing strategy. Hindi nyo ko pag-istoryahan sa mga mawasang istorya. Kilala ko ng karakas nyo, halin sa hasang hasta sa ikog, nugaya ko parts. Puta, just a little respect na lang nga nabiling ngayon di puta, kaging guba mo pa. Despite of everything that you've done to me, ano, post-delete, you will apologize and then you'll delete it. You'll fuck up with that and then you'll say sorry about it. Yota. Hindi ko pag-istorya sa hubog parts, kaya kung hubog ka, hindi ka dapat butigon that night. You are even lying that we bullied you even we did not. Ambisyoso ka. We want Neo, ma'am. Gaga kang alisit ka. Dala sa amin. Hoy, Neo. Neo is the mo. Tutuod gid gaga pa outwas ko diga kay di ba relaxing maning diri lang ga ang laro ka. So diri ka ni magkapa-utwas sa imong bola chagon and all. Basta palangga ka na mo niya from Ilonggo pa utwas 2.0. I love you to Ilonggo pa utwas. Tutuod ginaga. I find it so funny that a lot of people would actually say forgive na because nag-ask forgiveness sa diin lapit. Ew, turn off ko sa imo, tudloan mo ang imo nga mga viewers magpatawad biskan wala, mapatawad biskan wala na sa pakanay, gaga, bugo. I know you are a fake account who wanted to get noticed also. First of all, sino nangayo patawad? Diin lapit. May nangayo patawad ay? Wala. Din kakita nga ang tao ka pangayo patawad, maintran sa live. Kag mga kig just because wala gin pa-join sa call. Sa invitation. Kaya wala gin dala dito. Yo, de puta. Din kakita nga pangayo patawad pero never ka nakakuha isa ka blog message privately, even my phone number sa inyo. I have a page and an original account, he is not even black there. My phone number ko siya directly, never ko nakabati ga puta, sorry ga, never. The only time I've seen this person apologizing sa wall niya. It is not an apology, it is a marketing strategy to get attention. Hindi na tayo maginagaya parts. Di nyo kuya paggagahon, mas gaga ka mo yan, kaya kakadala ka mo sa unang drama. Ang sincere nga apology, ma-reach out ang tao even without the people knowing it. Even without letting everybody knows nga, buot ko, akong nag-apologize, yota. Once again, I'm not mad at him. Wala na kuya kaakig sa iya. I deleted him out of my life. I've forgiven him already. I've moved on beautifully with my life. And then suddenly, one night, I was called as an albino, an addict. I was called langga as feeling sikat. I was bullied physically. Because of what? Tanyo. I find it so funny that you are really convinced langga with the fake nga pag-sorry. Never na nag-reach out sa akong parts. Bisan ka isa. Naghambal pa siya nga restricted siya kung sa inyo account nga team langga. Taya. With all the lies. You know what langga? You're bringing back the pain. Dumangakig mo ko. Kaya naghibi sa You're bringing back the pain. I've already moved on from all the bullshit you've done to me. I didn't even get the apology I deserve. I just moved on beautifully as if nothing happened. And then there you are, fucking up with my life again. And claiming gigamit ka, puta! Correction! Wala ka niya career parts, nanging saluta ka. It's not about the number of your follower. Nobody loves you anymore. You're bringing back all the pain I've been through. Gago ka. Nag-move on na kuya parts. Mister, wala kayo na ngayon pasensya sa akong nagago ka. And then there you are, you're back. Para magginago lang sa amon nga life, yuta. Makaslo ka mang guro. Gamiton, yuta. Wala ka na yung career. Sangin baton ta ka sa akong friendship, circle of friends. I've given your career light again. Ako yung naghatag si mo parts another chance. Hindi ka maghambal naging gamit ka namon. Gago ka. Every deal I have that you're with me, you're not even invited. Ako yung gadasok sa imo nga madala ka sa event. But in exchange, natabo, you are jealous of me. Because a lot of people loves me instead of you. Because you are basing it with the number of your followers. You are not loved, bitch. A lot of people are watching you because they are having fun with you disrespecting yourself over and over again. Hindi mo ko pagkuhan ng tuod gaya parts. Nag-move on na kuya, bisan wala ka may nag-sorry sa ako. Okay lang kuya. Okay lang kuya, gyapon. What I did is I omitted you out of my life. And I deserved it. Now, you're bringing back everything. I guess I'm still crying because you used to be my friend. Abi mo. Mo lang ginda. In your heart, kabalo kaya rin in value. Ta kaya pa hearts. Hindi mo kayo pagkuhan nun. Hindi kayo magambal king gamit. Biskan piso nga duling. Wala mas nakakwarta ka ganit sa akon eh. Tuod niya. Mas nakakwarta kami sa ako niya parts. Every time magupod ka sa akong bikan piso, wala ta kaya ginapangayuan. Tuod. Ako na yata nga gasto. Tanan ginhatag ko sa inyo. Datan niya siyang dala puta. Including the respect. Even sometimes you do not deserve it. Every deals I have, you're not invited there. I was the one yung nagbugaw sa imo. So that you could have money also every time may event ako. And then you'll get jealous, you'll feel bad because I am treated differently every time I event kita. Of course, I was the one yung invite. Hindi nyo kuya pag-excusean nga, hubog na patawaran nyo. It's an attitude. It's the attitude. I just move on beautifully even without you apologizing to me. And then there you are doing it again, puta. Gago ka mang guro. Di ka mo yan, ang pilipiging gamit, yuta. Why ka na yung karir nga sa nagpalapit ka sa akon? Ako as kamaturan, I was the reason kung nga nagkakarir kaliwat. Di mo kaya pagkuhan ka nun, doon na high blood naman ko, doon nagbalik naman ako kainit. Kaya sino na di ulunan yan, isang laro kas. Tuod ginayaga, gago. Pero gingamit. You are useless when I met you. And that's the truth. So hindi ka feeling gamit. Your 2 million followers is just a number. And that's the truth. Bisan gamay nga respeto, gamay na lang ginabilin po. Taka, ginuubos mo pa. Namudamo, lagi ka muya-guyaya. With everything you've done to me, katanan nga pag-traidor mo sa ako, not only once, but for so many times. You didn't even apologize formally. I just let you into my life over and over again until I am finally fed up and I've decided to omit you out of my life and there's nothing wrong with it. Hindi nyo kuya pwede ba pwede nga mambalambala ka mo kay patawad, doon lang ka mo. Nagpatawad na kuya part, pero puta nung gadgad yung i-drag mo pa kami, nakikipakahuyan mo pa kami para ano, kay because wala ka di. You are no longer a part of my life and a part of my circle of friends because you deserves it. You are not a victim here. And you're going to call me albino. And then you're going to say a lot of things about me. Retokada ka, blah, blah, blah. You really have the right to bully people. Look at yourself. Pangispiyo parts. Pangispiyo. You are going to call Lingling damak? Look at yourself. You're going to see Lingling is agi? Oh my God, coming from you? Sus, Diyos ko. Puta, wala na kamudan loyalty, traidor pa ka mo. Ginsalo nyo yung tanan niya. And then, the sad part is, do ako pa yung traidor because kalain matasang kailang ka, kaya hindi na siya mag-forgive. You just don't know what I have been through. I had been through sa friendship ngayon na puta. Wala ko yung pride niya ga. Pero ga, na-consume yan na tanan ang pride niya, may ara ko. Na-consume yan na gidya. Wala ka niya sa life ko yung part. Hindi mo kuya deserve. I deserve better. Gidya. Puta. Gidya. Amuhon mo pa ko na. Bisan gamay na lang ang respeto. Bisan gamay na lang ang nabilin. Grabe na ginuhod ko sa campaign niya. Tagtuhood. Gidya. I was actually convincing Lingling not to mind it. Hindi na pero puta. Gidya. Sobra-sobra na gid kamuya. Sobra pa kamo sa traidor sa bowl niya. Calling us damak. Really? Really? Grabe ka mo yan. Then marason ka lang kay hubog ka. That's it. And then you will apologize sa wall mo. You didn't even send me a message. What do you really expect? Na kung ma-comment ka na sa live ni Lingling, I miss you best. I will say I miss you too. If you really miss me, you should have sent me a message. I find it so funny. I've read your post na gusto ko malang tani mag-share sa inyo sang sitwasyon ko. When you are doing good, you didn't remember us. Remember? When you used to have money, when your career used to be okay, you even actually ruined our friendship during the time. And now that you have nothing, now nga alang-alang ka na, you are telling me na palapit ka sa ako? And it is my responsibilities to deal with your pain, to deal with whatever problem you are going through. Puta, I had been through a lot for 1 year. Never ka nagpalapit sa imo, ginguba mo pa ko gani. Isa ka tuig ko nga ginaguba ni mo, Grace. When I was tag as an addict and I'm doing drugs with you, you are the first person who knows the truth. Even wala mo kuya party na finance still, wala kuya dumot sa imo. Because kininsindi ko nga, bas hindi mo kayang gamo. Pero puta, nagapin ka pa to gani. O, diba? Kung tatino kuya party, stop using my name, create your own career, create your own, puta, kung tatino na kuya, I'm doing good with my life. Nagambal na kuya, hindi ko maghibi, pero puta, gabalik ganyan talaga pag traidor mo sa akin niya. Ang feeling, balaga nga, gina-convince ko pag ganing iban nga tao nga, uy, follow ka mo gyapon sa iya. If nanamian ka mo sa iya, if you like the content, still follow Erica. He deserves it, blah, blah, blah. I'm being nice, puta. Then suddenly, last night, ang muna panghambal mo sa akon, without me doing anything. Kay tungod, sala namon because we are happy. Tuod bala. Sala namon niya, kay we have a lot of reason, bagiyapon niya maging malipayon, despite sa inyong kangaga. Nahibi na ako, te malakat, tama na ni, okay na siya. Dala ni sa script para marunong kumakod, okay.